YouTube, what is going on? It's Ted back with another video. And I know it's been a minute since y'all seen it. 335 back on the channel. As you can see, the car starts up fine. I just started it and it didn't even seem like it was I mean, it stuttered a little bit on startup, but it wasn't nothing crazy. So we're about to get the car towed over to my boys over at Split Second Performance. Y'all already know where they at. Put the Instagram like right here. It's my team where I work on the car at, and pretty much everybody who pretty much got me to where I am now. Like, I learned everything I know from Eric. So yeah, we're about to just tow the car over there and pretty much start on it, take off the valve cover, see what's going on, check the timing. Yeah, it's been a minute since I updated y'all, but got the timing kit right there. So yeah, my guy over there about to get me right. Guess I'm gonna hit y'all when we get the car over there. Alright, so I'm here at the shop, bro. And from what I just talked to Quan and Eric about as far as what could be going on within this motor, it's Teflon seals on each cam. It's 2 of them, so those get worn. So pretty much that's what we leaning towards for it to be the cause of the codes I'm getting. The car crank up every time, no problems. That's why Quan was saying that it could be those seals, because if it was timing, then the car wouldn't start sometimes. But like every time I start the car, it fires right up. So we're about to dive into this, pull this valve cover off, and get the parts ordered for it. New valve cover gasket. I need to get some more wrap. I just been hella lazy with that. I need to replace this too because it got tears in it. But other than that, I'm happy to be, back filming for y'all. To get the 335 back on the road, bruh, because it's been like a solid month, I think. And not because like a resources or anything, but people been backed up. I was waiting on this tool. I actually probably don't even need this tool, honestly. I got this timing tool, but we're gonna see once we open it up. Like I said, Quan was saying he don't think it's out of timing. So yeah, we're gonna do that. Don't even need this, so I'll just probably leave this here with them. So if they need to use it, because I'm not gonna use it. So yeah, so let's get into this. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to time lapse this at all. Because like I said, I'm recording my phone. I left my GoPro at my boys 335, like I always do. I'm always leaving something in this man whip, bro. Like, it never fails, bro. Like, out of the three nights we went out to go watch a race, bro, I've left something different every time. Whether it was my wallet, a GoPro, a lighter, or whatever it is. I'm like, bro. But yeah, so it's lit. I don't think there's nothing wrong with this engine. This engine is good. It's been treating me good for the year that I've had it. I haven't had any issues until I went E85. So let's get into it, man. All right, so the first thing I think I gotta do, because I don't think I'll be able to take this valve cover off without taking this off, the front housing of the turbo. Of course, gotta take this. Wow, that got burnt again. No way, coach. Wow. Gotta replace that too. I tell you, it's always something. But yeah, so this downpipe gotta come off. Got my handy dandy jack over there. Downpipe has to come off along with the front housing, and I'm thinking this has to come off too. It might. I'm gonna try to finesse it. Nah, I'm not doing that, because this is a pain. With the way that this kit is, putting this exhaust housing back on to the manifold, bruh, yeah, I ain't doing that, chief. So we're gonna try to finesse it, pull this off right here, and then I'm gonna get back with y'all. All right, so I got all that off. Move the wire harness out the way and everything. Now I'm about to take this fuel rail off. We got bolts right here, 2 right here. Well, there's 1 right there, 1 right there, and 2 more back there. I already disconnected the fuel rail right there, sensor, the sensor right here, high pressure fuel sensor, and then I can start taking these bolts off around the valve cover. So come to find out, I don't think I'm gonna have to remove this downpipe, but the only bolt that I'm gonna struggle to get access to is this one right there. So we're gonna see, but yeah, let me go ahead and pull this off. All right, so I got that fuel rail off, so we about to just slowly but surely take these bolts off. This pollen is killing me out here in Georgia, bro. Take these bolts off around the valve cover, these right here, like so. And y'all bear with me, bro. I know I don't have my GoPro. Yeah, so all of these got to come off pretty much. I'm trying to do this with one hand and record. All of these about to come off. So I'm about to go ahead and do all that. All of these. Let's go. Alright, so come to find out, I did have to take the, I don't have to take it out. Pretty much pull it. Yeah, I got to take it out, bro. Just to get to this bolt. So I just did that. Let's get this last bolt off and pull this valve cover off. All right, so as you can see, we got the valve cover off. It's not looking too bad. It's pretty much how it looked when I put this motor in. So this side is clean. This side is decent. Ain't bad. So the problem is up here. It's like under here. So I got to pull this off. But I'm just, while I'm here, I'm about to just go ahead and replace both the Teflon seals. I think it's one right here and like one right there, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so I'm about to call Eric over here and see what he thinks. The motor looks like it's in time still, so time did not jump. Car did not jump timing at all. See? Ooh. And all right, so pretty much to show y'all, we got one sitting over here.
Oh,
so you pull this off.
Yeah, that's just like a
These two seals right here.
The throttle body issue.
This one right here.
Yeah.
And this one right here.
I just don't have any parking down.
So we gotta pull this off. Order the Teflon seals, replace them, and hopefully it's good. All right, y'all. I don't even want to show this junk.
Damn. Oh shit.
And it breaks my heart. Bruh.
I got a motor.
For real?
Yeah.
Yeah, so as y'all can see, I don't know if this thing focus. So the motor went out of timing. And the piston hit the plug. As soon as I went for it, literally. I was thinking nothing was wrong. It was good. Oh, it could be this, it could be that. But I'm mad I took this long to actually figure out that it was this. Ooh, I can't believe it. She got blown. Golly, bruh. I couldn't even get to enjoy E85, bruh. Swapping the motor really ain't nothing. So I ain't really mad at that. It's just the fact that I gotta do this again. That's the only thing that I'm thinking about. I'm over here with my boys a split second. So I ain't really tripping. It's gotta get taken care of, bro. Like, why, bro? Trying to get it to focus. I don't know what to say, bruh. It is what it is. I can't sit here and mope and complain. It's tight though, I ain't gonna lie to you. But yeah, so it jumped timing and then slap the top. Slap the plug. So yeah. Bruh. I'm speechless right now, y'all. I'm trying to like talk, but I don't even know what to say, bruh. The only thing is we gotta find a motor and do this all over again. Oh man, I wish this plug was not like this and I pulled it out just to save me the headache. Damn. It is what it is, bro. It is what it is. So, we need a motor, y'all. Low-key might start a GoFundMe. Low-key. I wonder if y'all would participate in that. If I did do something like that, comment down below. But as y'all see, M54 is down for the count. So, other than that, I'm gonna catch y'all boys in the next video. I don't know when that's gonna be or how it's gonna be, but yeah, I'll catch y'all boys.